What's up guys? It's me again. Welcome to my channel. So yun na nga. It's actually my day of today pero kailangan pa rin magtrabaho kasi nga dahil nasa yogurt business yung pinagtatabahuan ko, so ako din yung parang tagakuha ng stock sa storage area namin. So kailangan kong pumunta sa storage area namin para kunin yung like yogurt, fresh yogurt, frozen yogurt para dalhin sa 2 branches. So yun, papakita ko na naman sa inyo kung gaano kalayo yung pupuntahan ko mamaya. So yun, kahit day off, work pa rin, so tara. So, ayun na nga. May makakasama ako ngayon si Top. Siya yung friend ko dito sa Saudi Arabia na since local leave siya, hindi siya umuwi. So, sinamahan niya akong pumunta dun sa storage area namin. So, at least hindi ako nag-iisa ngayon. So, may meet niya si Christopher maya lang, so tara, off gala work. Hi Tom! Say hi to my subscribers.
Hi YouTube!
Yan, dumating na siya. Makakalis na kami.
So where are we going? So it's our day off today. So we're going to... Saan tayo punta?
Actually, papuntang Al-Kharj.
Oh, that's really far.
It's really far,
so it will take like an hour. So it will take
no, like less than an hour.
Less than an hour. So ano meron doon?
Well, sa storage area namin,
Punta tayo sa storage area
ng mga frozen yogurt.
ng mga frozen yogurt nila. So, yeah. It's my first time actually to go there. So, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Let's see what kung ano meron doon.
Malaking freezer makikita nyo.
May malaking freezer daw.
I like this music, you know.
It's supposed to be your off, right?
Yeah, it's my job, but still I'm working, you know. Alam mo naman,
Your boss asked you to go there?
no, it's my job, actually.
Okay. North Ring Road. Ito yung itsura ng Saudi. Sobrang dry dito kasi walang UV. Tapos more on mainit na, no? Hindi na ganun kalamig.
Yeah.
Sa summer na kasi. As of now, ano na, nasa 23 degrees.
Uy,
More than ba?
siguro ba?
Basta malayo, mainit na eh. Hindi na katulad dati na ano, na nag-single digit yung temperature. Hotel. So matadaanan natin yung Granada Mall, di ba?
Yeah, Granada Mall daw. Bomba Mall.
Got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. 'Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today
Ayun yung Granada Mall, oh.
you were so crying 'cause you were around.
And he's driving.
And you're probably with that one girl who always made me doubt. She's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure
kaya yun?
about. Yeah, today
Baka circus yan.
'Cause how could I ever love someone else? And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in the
Ayun, pinugutan sila po sa Macban. Pero hindi naman talaga siya pinugutan, di ba?
Sarapan, tapos tignan mo si Dan, fasting parang Ramadan. Damo yan, pare di na ako niyan tinatalaban. Ginagawa ko lang yung mga gusto nila na gawin. Di ako pasaway, kaya wag nyo akong sawayin. Subukan mong tanungin yung mga nasa likod kung familiar ba sila sa
Layo sa hope, lumalaya sa hangarin na
Kumain kami dito dati. Meron kang kainan sa loob eh. Masarap yung ano dito, yung dining nila. Kaso walang dining ngayon. Maganda yung IKEA, malaki. Maganda ng mga home furniture nila dyan.
mo sabon milib at kung sinong malupit. 10 and 6 ka ng sustansya.
Hindi naman na siya gumagano eh.
Luto lang ni good, sentient food. 10 and 6 alam mo na kapag naririnig mo to. Nasa kabilang banda kami nang hinahanap mo. Pamparam pam pam, pamparam param pam. Sumabay lang sabay yung sarap sa pakiramdam. Pamparam pam pam, pamparam param pam. Nagawa namin ito habang bilog din ang buwan, mga buwan. Yun, tapos na kayo? Tapos na. Salamat eh. Hihina ako. Sorry po.
Are we close?
Like 5 kilometers.
Yeah. Suka dito.
This is so freaking cold. Lead cover. 32 ounce. Yep. I guess so. Just grab it. 24 to 32 ounce. I think that's it.
Okay.
What the heck is that sound? Four boxes of original yogurt.
I know I ain't leaving you like I know he ain't leaving us. I know we believe in God and I know God believes in us. You hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Liburin ako,
So
guys.
holy, 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 holy.
Liburin.
Oh God.
Sorbet. 2 boxes. There's ice.
Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Six boxes of plain yogurt. Last one, 2 boxes of NSA. Non-fat. Saan siya galing? Galing US? Saan siya galing? Sa US?
Okay na?
Yup.
Sukas lang yan.
Tatama kung hindi ako tumataya.
Huwag mo ilagay dyan, baka mahulog. Oh my God. Yun na yung pinaka late You have to pull that up.
Let's go, guys! Go back to the branches where we're gonna unload these yogurt boxes or boxes of yogurt.
Saan nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako'y di 눈치 없이 말버렸어 자꾸게 지워진 거리 여기 남아져있는 나 혼자 가는 시간
Parang babae yung kumakanta.
Hi guys! So ito na nga kami. Nakauwi na kami. Nakarating na kami sa branch. So na-unload na namin ang mga yogurt. Doon namin nilagay sa yung dalawang freezer na yan. So ayun, natapos na din ang aking vlog for today. So thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye to!